e-learning center at Prince Sultan University presents this comprehensive guide on how to back up and restore exams in Moodle. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of backing up and restoring Moodle exams. The first step is to back up your exam from a Moodle course. To begin, navigate to the course containing the exam you want to back up and click on it. On the exam page, click on the More menu and select Backup. Now, check the boxes of the specific elements you want to include in your backup. Additionally, make sure that the Include Question Bank checkbox is selected to include the exam questions. Once you have finished selecting options, click the Jump to Final Step button. Wait for the backup file to load, then click Continue. On the following page, scroll down to the User Private Backup area and click the Download button next to the file corresponding to the date and time you performed the backup. A file will now be downloaded to your device. Once the file is saved, you can restore it onto your other section and share it with your colleagues. Now that you have the backup file, let's restore the exam into Moodle. First, navigate to the course where you want to restore the exam in it. Next, click on the More menu and select Course Reuse. From the drop-down menu on the left, select Restore. Then, click Choose a File button. Then on the Upload a File tab, click Choose File. Locate the backup file that you downloaded on your device. Then, click Upload this file. After that, click the Restore button on the next page. On the Backup Details page, scroll down and click Continue. A list of courses will appear. You can search for your course by its name in the search field. Once you find your course, select it and click Continue. The restore settings of your quiz will be displayed. Scroll down and click Next. On the next page, a preview of the quiz will be shown. Click Next. Finally, scroll down and click the Perform Restore button. Wait for the restore process to complete, then click Continue. You can now check your course to confirm that the exam has been restored. Thank you for watching. If you need any further support, kindly contact us through the following mediums.